She's not the only one that's going to be eating it, right? I think everybody likes ice cream cake. Can you imagine something like, Meredith, happy birthday. You're great. Michael. There's one way to find out. Come on. You are not going to believe this. I believe it. No tensions were high in the kitchen. I could tell from the body language. That's good. What is that, turkey? Italian bucket. Wow, $2, $3. You wanted to see me? Yeah. What do you know about Meredith? I don't think she'd be missed.
Meredith, let's hope the only downsizing that happens to you is that someone downsizes your age. I get it. It's funny.
You didn't get the joke. I didn't use.
Pretty excited. Gonna open it. Oh, there it is. I actually think most people are getting their phones way before me, even though I pre-ordered the day pre-ordered was available, like 3 o'clock it was available, and I ordered mine at 3:15. But I checked that you were actually able to get phones way before me. Here we go. Wow. Okay, just like any other. Oh wow, it's actually pretty much the same size. It's just the screen is bigger. Okay. Wow. She's beautiful. Oh, AirPods, charging cable, adapter. Not important. Oh, I did get this. Okay, I want to put it on as soon as possible because, you know, oh, take off that film. Ooh, very satisfying. Don't want to attract any more fingerprints. Got the silver. I didn't really like the gold. Okay, I'm gonna set up first. Okay, it's been quite a while since I last turned on the camera. Now I'm currently moving my WeChat chats. So yeah. It's gonna take a while. So far, I really like the True Tone display actually. Don't notice that it's not as white as the old display used to be, but I really like it. I don't notice that it's that much bigger, to be honest. Like the phones are relatively the same in size, so that's totally cool with me. Yeah, I like it so far. I like the emoji things that I can make. That's really fun. There's AR. But yeah, while that's setting up, I'm just gonna open a few more packages. Actually got this from an Etsy shop. So there's some things in here that are kind of random. I think this is so nicely packaged. Oh, it's so cute. I ordered this Itsuko Naka. Very nice. I like this card. Cute. Put this somewhere else. Yeah, and then I got these like bento box cloths. I don't know I forget the word. Tenuguri. Ooh, sorry, I am butchering that. Okay. So there's like even a little thing that tells you how to use it. Got this print. It's very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna use it to take my lunch boxes to work and school. This that one, and then I also got this other one. Oh, I also got this card. Let's see, I think it's a couple in here. That one. I think I'm gonna put these on my wall. They're very minimum looking. Oh, I forgot to open this. I got too distracted. Okay, and some birds. I like this one a lot. Yes, I love the designs. Okay, put that aside. Oh, apparently I bought more postcards. I don't remember buying this. Oh, these are the blue ones. And a bird. Okay, 3 of those. Okay, nice. And then I think this is the calendar. Oh. Okay. It's already the end of September. But I liked it a lot. Oh, it's a Happy New Year card. Okay, 2018. But it's so cute. I wish I had known about that earlier. It's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, oh, and September. Here we are now. Okay. Oh, these you can tear off because it's perforated. Oh, that's really nice. I have to figure out where I want to put it. Probably like the wall in front of my bed. So So today was in Everlane during lunch. A very bad idea. I bought the form bag. So I got this color. What's it called? The cognac? I forget. But yeah, this is the one I got. I tried on the market tote. So close. Go far back a little bit. Yes. This matches my sweater. I didn't even wear it during the time. But I like the snap closure. Very good. There's not as much room for like theft, I guess. At least I can feel and hear if someone is reaching into it. This is a very good size because I need to carry a lot of stuff for work and school.